Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hey my friends, welcome to Konnect, a super fast website application that builds e-commerce affiliate stores in any niche in less than 20 seconds and instantly drives free buyers' traffic to them in just minutes, and all with the power of artificial intelligence. You will be shocked, guaranteed. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 extremely easy steps to follow, which practically anyone can do. Step 1. Get access. Getting access to Konnect is as simple as clicking on the button below this video and buying access to Konnect at the extremely discounted price only available today, and log into it after purchase in just seconds. Step 2. Build your affiliate store in less than 20 seconds. Konnect lets you create your affiliate store in less than 20 seconds and with just a click. That's right, let me show you. You just need to go to the store builder. Add your subdomain, add your store login email, and build it with just a click. And that's about it. Pretty impressive, right? And you can access the dashboard of your brand new affiliate store by clicking on the login button. Right here, you will access every single thing you need to succeed as an affiliate or even as a product vendor with a professional, beautiful-looking, done-for-you e-commerce store. And by clicking here, you will be able to preview your done-for-you e-commerce store, ready to add as many products of any kind as you wish. As you can see, we have already done 90% of the work, which happens to be the most time-consuming part of creating a high-converting, ready-to-profit e-commerce website. Adding affiliate or regular products to your store is very easy and quick as well, and can be done in just a sec. Let me show you. You just go to Products, click on All Products, click on Add New, add a product title, add the price, add a special discount amount, if any. Decide the special discount type, which is fixed or by percentage. Decide the special discount start and end dates if needed. The SKU, Manage Stock and Stock Quantity, are features mostly used to sell your own physical products, but we are adding an affiliate product this time, so we won't use it for now. And click on Save, and your product has been created. It's as simple as that. You then can add more detailed information such as a short description, long description, brand, category. Add your product to a featured section of your choice. If you are adding an external product, for example, an affiliate product, you should enable this feature here, and here is where you add your affiliate URL. Enable this button to publish it and click on Save Changes. Let's add one more thing right now, which is the image. So let's click on Images and let's add one. Great, we are done. As you can see, the process is really simple, but we can do it even faster by clicking on All Products and clicking on Import. With this feature right here, you are able to create as many products as you want with just a click, and I will show you how inside the training. Now let's take a look at the product we just created. And there you have it. Let's open the product page. And there you see the product image, the product title, the short description, the pricing with the special discount, the Purchase Now button, which redirects to the affiliate product sales page with your own affiliate link, a like button, the ability for visitors to share this product with their friends on social platforms, the long description, and even the ability for visitors to leave a product review with rating easily and quickly. Every single element needed to convert your visitors into loyal customers. This is just terrific. But you can do way more than just adding products to your awesome e-commerce affiliate store. You can customize your shop settings, add payment options, manage subscriptions, and even add a custom domain. You can also select among 4 different themes, customize the 4 types of menus, add pages, enable the sliders which will be located in the Hero section, and customize the SEO and sitemap of your online store. Besides adding and importing products, you can also manage inventory, categories, attributes, brands, and even coupons. You can even manage shipping locates and pricing. You can also manage orders, customers, transactions, and preview all types of reports. You can check on the review and ratings left by the buyers, and even add bump and banner ads to your store quickly and easily. And if you want to take your tracking and conversions to the next level, you can also enable Google Analytics, the Facebook Pixel, the WhatsApp API, and the Pinterest claim. And finally, you can create and manage blog posts inside your e-commerce store to build even more confidence, trust, and sales among your most loyal buyers and potential buyers. As you can see, everything is simple but highly powerful. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Back in the Konnect dashboard, you will find the AI Content Writer, which happens to be a cutting-edge AI content generator that you can use as your personal premium e-commerce content writer. For example, you can use it to build some awesome product titles, product short and long descriptions for your e-commerce store to entice more people to buy. Check how natural and enticing this content looks. That's the power of AI in content generation. But if you are not satisfied with the results, you can always click on the Regenerate button again, and you will get a 100% new version of the content. You can use this to generate content for anything else you need for your e-commerce store, like blog posts, video scripts, sales copy, promotional emails, etc. But more than that, you can also do the same thing, but with graphics. Yes, you can use the AI graphics generator to create any type of graphic you need for your e-commerce store, and with the power of AI. You simply need to give some specific instructions to the tool, and it will give you exactly what you want. And yes, this is like having your personal premium e-commerce graphics designer. See how photorealistic this looks. Again, this is the power of AI in graphics generation. And something even shocking is the fact that this content and designs are 100% unique every time you generate them. So you won't have to worry about failing in low quality and duplicated content and designs on your e-commerce store. Step 3. Send traffic. Once your awesome store is set up and running way faster than by using any other e-commerce store builder online, it's now more than ready to start getting traffic and sales. And for that, we have you covered as well. Did you know that 85% of weekly Pinterest users have made a purchase based on pins they've seen from brands? This showcases how much influence Pinterest has on consumer decisions and buying behavior. Did you know that 50% of Pinterest users see the platform as a shopping destination? This emphasizes Pinterest's strong association with product discovery and a willingness to browse with the intent to purchase. And did you know that Pinterest users spend 80% more per month in retail than users on other social platforms? This indicates the high value of Pinterest users and their potential to drive substantial sales for businesses. With that being said, it's a pleasure for us to introduce you to Sparks, our Power Pinterest traffic engine. Sparks is our proprietary Pinterest traffic engine capable of instantly driving free buyers' traffic to your e-commerce store, the quick and easy way, with an all-in-one Pinterest pin creator and poster. You will be shocked at what this Pinterest marketing app is capable of doing. And we have an entire VIP training that will teach you how, step by step, from start to finish. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fastest way ever to profit as an affiliate with the power of e-commerce affiliate stores combined with AI in today's digital marketing. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with Konnect the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to build e-commerce affiliate stores in any niche in less than 20 seconds and instantly drive free buyers' traffic to them in just minutes, and all with the power of artificial intelligence, then try Konnect today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.